Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chili for hot dogs. First, gather your ingredients, including ground meat, tomato sauce, and spices. Next, you'll brown the meat and drain any excess fat. Then, combine everything and let it simmer to develop those amazing flavors. Finally, taste and adjust the seasonings to make it just right for your preference. For this recipe, you'll need about 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, depending on your preference. Grab 1 small onion and dice it finely to add a nice base flavor. You'll also need 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce for that classic chili consistency. Don't forget your key spices: chili powder, cumin, and a touch of garlic powder. Start by cooking your ground meat and diced onions in a skillet until the meat is nicely browned and the onions are tender. Drain any fat, then stir in the tomato sauce along with all your chosen spices. Add about 1/4 cup of water or beef broth to help it simmer. Let it cook gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your chili has simmered, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even extra chili powder for a bolder kick. Serve this delicious chili warm over your favorite hot dogs for a truly satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.